Tired of boring Minecraft communication on your Aternos server? Say hello to proximity voice chat. First things first, head over to the Aternos website and log into your account. Select the server you want to add voice chat to. If you haven't created one yet, now's the time. Once you're in your server control panel, click on the Plugins tab. This is where the magic happens. Use the search bar to find a plugin called Simple Voice Chat. It's user-friendly and perfect for this. Click on the plugin in the search results. You'll be taken to the plugins page. Usually, there's a simple install button. Click on it. Ensure this plugin is compatible with your server's Minecraft version. Now, the plugin is installed. Now, restart your server. This allows the plugin to load and integrate into your game. Just click the start button on your Aternos control panel. Join your Minecraft server. You'll need a compatible version of Simple Voice Chat to chat. You may also want to set your preferred microphone and output settings. Check the plugin page for more details on configuration and commands. To get the most out of this, with Simple Voice Chat installed, you can now talk to players near you in-game and have even more fun. That's all there is to it. Enjoy chatting, and be sure to share this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.